If you're still flying the DJI Mini 4 Pro, you might want to hold your controller tight, because DJI's next move could make you rethink everything. According to reliable leaks, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is not just an upgrade, it's a full-scale evolution. First hinted at by Jasper Ellens and later confirmed by drone insider Hakashuki, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to land as early as September 2025, and it's already building a reputation as a game changer in the ultralight drone category. The buzz began with a few blurry images and technical whispers, but now the excitement is impossible to ignore. Hakashuki suggests that the Mini 5 Pro could feature a 1-inch image sensor, a massive improvement over the Mini 4 Pro's 1.3-inch sensor. For creators who rely on detail, sharpness, and low-light performance, this kind of leap would be huge, especially in a drone that's meant to weigh under 250 grams. That's the first big question. Can DJI keep the weight under 250 grams while still packing in all these upgrades? The sub-250-gram category is special. It avoids stricter drone regulations in many countries, making it the sweet spot for hobbyists and pros alike. Yet the leaked images show a bigger camera module, chunkier arms, and thicker motors, all signs of serious hardware improvements. It's going to be tight, but DJI might just pull it off again with clever engineering. Among the rumors, a few upgrades stand out: better wind resistance, increased flight stability, and a potential battery life of up to 50 minutes, a huge jump from the Mini 4 Pro's 34-minute average. There's also talk of a flight range of 25 kilometers, which would open up more ambitious shots and larger coverage areas for professionals. But the biggest surprise? Some leaks suggest audio recording capabilities. It's unclear whether this will be for ambient sound capture, voice syncing, or post-production alignment. But it's a rare feature in the drone world, and one that could open creative doors for filmmakers and storytellers. Visually, the Mini 5 Pro doesn't look drastically different from its predecessor, but there are subtle changes that matter. Leaked prototypes include propeller guards, which might be part of a new safety package or just test units. And there's speculation about advanced obstacle avoidance, potentially with omnidirectional vision sensors or even LAR tech, though no LAR module has been definitively identified in the photos. The drone is also expected to keep the vertical shooting mode, making it perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and other vertical-friendly platforms. For social media creators, this means you can shoot cinematic quality content directly in vertical format. No awkward cropping needed. AI seems to be playing a bigger role this time too. Leakers suggest improved AI-powered subject tracking, allowing smoother and smarter autonomous flights. That means if you're out filming solo, the Mini 5 Pro might be able to follow you with more precision and less effort than ever before. As for pricing, nothing official has been released, but with a rumored 1-inch sensor, upgraded battery, advanced tracking features, and extended range, it's safe to say the Mini 5 Pro will be priced above the Mini 4 Pro. Still, for serious users, the added capabilities could make the investment more than worthwhile. Taken together, the leaks surrounding the Mini 5 Pro suggest DJI is ready to push the boundaries of what's possible in an ultralight drone. It's not just about flying, it's about giving creators the tools to capture better, fly longer, and shoot smarter. Whether you're a travel vlogger, a landscape photographer, or just someone who loves seeing the world from above, this drone might be the one that finally makes you retire your Mini 4 Pro for good. So now the real question is, are you ready for the leap?